If you're seeing the AutoCAD copy to clipboard failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to copying and pasting your drawings without frustration. This issue usually happens when AutoCAD can't properly access the Windows clipboard, and that can be caused by very large drawings, corrupted objects, or even another app interfering with the clipboard. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to restart AutoCAD and your computer. Sometimes the clipboard service or a temporary system conflict is all that's causing the issue, and a full restart can clear it fast. If that doesn't solve it, try copying smaller parts of the drawing instead of selecting the entire file at once. Large drawings can overload the clipboard, so breaking the selection into smaller sections can help you isolate the problem and keep AutoCAD responsive. Next, run the audit command. Type audit into the command line and press enter. AutoCAD will check the drawing for errors and ask if you want to fix them. Choose yes. This is important because corrupted data inside the file can prevent copy and paste from working properly. After that, run the purge command. Type purge, press enter, and remove unused elements like blocks, layers, line types, and other unnecessary items. Purging helps clean up the drawing and can reduce the chances of clipboard errors caused by heavy or messy files. If the problem is still there, use WBLOCK to export selected objects into a brand new drawing. This is one of the best ways to test whether the issue is tied to the current file. Select the objects you need, run WBLOCK, save them into a new file, and then try copying from that new drawing. If the copy works there, then the original file is likely damaged or overloaded. Another helpful step is to save the drawing as a new file using SAVEAS. Sometimes simply creating a fresh copy of the project can remove hidden file issues and make clipboard operations work again. Just choose a new name and save it as a separate file, then test the copy command again. If you're still running into the error, go into AutoCAD's graphics settings and turn off hardware acceleration. Open the graphics performance settings and disable it. In some systems, graphics conflicts can interfere with selection, copying, and clipboard behavior, especially in complex drawings. You should also close other applications that may be using the clipboard in the background. Things like screen recorders, clipboard managers, remote desktop tools, or even some office apps can occasionally interfere with AutoCAD's copy function. Closing them can remove that conflict immediately. If none of those methods work, reset AutoCAD's settings to default. This can fix broken preferences or corrupted configuration files that may be causing the clipboard failure. Depending on your version of AutoCAD, you can use the Reset Settings option from the Start menu or reinstall Profile defaults. Finally, make sure AutoCAD is fully updated to the latest version. Updates often include important bug fixes and stability improvements that can resolve copy and paste problems, especially in newer Windows environments. As a final tip, this issue is very commonly caused by corrupted or extremely heavy drawings. So if the error keeps happening in one file but not others, the drawing itself is probably the real source of the problem. Try cleaning it, exporting parts of it, or rebuilding it in a new file. If this tutorial helped you fix the AutoCAD copy to clipboard failed error, please hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, and make sure you don't miss the next AutoCAD troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.